Well, as you guys can see, as soon as you walk in, you can see our problem.
Sure can.
We've just kind of packed everything into that front room.
This is a big problem. You have a ton of stuff.
And it's not really what you would want your guests to see when they walk right into your house. Actually, sometimes I have people come around and go in the back door.
I so understand the stress of having like the front room right there.
It's a multifunctional space, so we all hang out in it too.
Right now it's a dysfunctional space.
But it will be multifunctional.
Yeah, that's the goal. They love to do arts and crafts. And right now they might like have something going on in here. We have arts and crafts in the kitchen and they'll be like, Mom, I need scissors. And I feel like the whole time I'm just running around trying to find the different
central
supplies.
area for all of the crafts to live.
Yes, we're not having any more kids. Like everything.
I was gonna ask that.
No, no more kids.
All right.
But like the scary thing about it is that I'm only doing everything one time.
So we got to keep you present and involved in the activity that's happening.
Yeah, it's like I'm just missing it all.
We're gonna set up zones and stations.
And I'm still in
all
the same
stations
room.
together.
Yes, it's going to be in the same room.
That is awesome.